The new expander system helps you utilize the full versatility of your big green egg. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how each piece works. Let's take a look at the first component, the Conveggtor basket. There are 3 key benefits to this piece. First, it has strong handles, allowing you to easily and safely go from direct to indirect cooking when handling your Conveggtor. Second, it brings the primary cooking surface up to the felt line of the egg for easier access to your food. Third, it serves as a base for the entire expander system. The half-moon cooking grids can be used on the upper and lower rings in multiple combinations, and if that wasn't enough, it fits perfectly with the carbon steel wok. The next component is the 2-piece multi-level rack. If you've ever cooked on your egg and been a little short on space, this racking system fits perfectly with the Conveggtor basket and adds 130 square inches of cooking surface. The raised cooking surface slides forward and backward, giving you access to your food at any angle. Flip the rack upside down for cowboy-style searing directly over the coals. When you get the full 5-piece kit, it comes with 2 half-moon stainless steel cooking grids. Use them with your Conveggtor basket for multi-level cooking, or put them together to replace your traditional cooking grid. They'll also give you a surface to rest your half-moon baking stones or perforated grids, but we'll get to that in a minute. Next, let's look at the cast iron half-moon cooking grids. Cast iron is ideal for searing meats and seafood with a flavor-packed crust. Say you want to do steaks and chicken during the same cook. Simply use 1 stainless steel grid on the upper ring and add a cast iron cooking grid to the lower ring for higher temperature cooking on your steaks and chops. The dual-sided half-moon planches have all the great features of cast iron with a flat or griddle surface. Now you can saute vegetables, sear scallops, or prepare an entire breakfast of bacon, eggs, and hash browns all at the same time. You can even combine 2 half-moon grids for a full cast iron cooking surface. Whether it's potatoes, asparagus, even shrimp, the half-moon perforated grid keeps your smaller ingredients from going AWOL mid-cook. Unlike solid pans, the holes in this grid allow smoke and heat to permeate the food, so you can achieve beautiful flavor without losing your food between the grates. And finally, we have half-moon baking stones. The beauty of the half-moon stone is that you can even use 2 half stones to transform your egg into a convection oven, just like you would with the traditional Conveggtor. The full 5-piece expander kit includes the Conveggtor basket, 2 stainless steel half grids, and 2-piece multi-level rack. You can also get each piece individually, along with the other half-moon pieces, to create the ultimate cooking arsenal. Simply said, if you're looking to add flexibility and capability to your cooking experience, the 5-piece expander system is right for you. As always, if you have questions, come talk to the experts. We're just off South Campbell on Tracker Road. Outdoor Home, where outdoor living is always in.